Hello and welcome to Gadgeteer Farm. I have this issue when I run the blade. It's hard to adjust the angle of it and how much it attacks the ground. You have to jump out and adjust the push rod. So I bought this from Amazon to fix that. I'm installing an hydraulic top link to my tractor, a John Deere 2650. I started by removing the plastic covers. And then I attached the hoses, the low profile one at the bottom, and then I let the high profile one go over it. I added some thread sealant to lock them in place a little bit better. Not to seal really, but to lock the connections together. So I will start with removing this old one. Make sure that it's loose before you detach it. It's a little bit heavy. So I ran into a problem. The ball and the one that's attached to the tractor is too wide. So I have to trim it down or something. I don't know. Let's see what we can do. But as you can see, it doesn't fit as it is now. Tractor, it was a little bit too wide. So I had to grind it down. I fixed it. It was just a couple of millimeters and now it fits. And then I connected the hoses to the tractor outlet. I'm not certain that I'm 100% good with the routing. Maybe it should be changed. I think it should go a little bit sideways instead. I will test that. Then I have to start the tractor and attach the implement. You can't move it by hand now, so you have to have the tractor running. Yeah, it works as it should. I will put it in stretch out position. Like that. It's a hooked version, so you just can let go of the connection and slam it down. Oops. This wasn't good. Oh, it sort of destroyed it. Yeah, it's destroyed. Shit. So this was not good. This destroyed that connection. So I can't have it like this. I have to flip it around. So have it upside down like that. Now it can go all the way up. And this of course can be turned anyway. So that could work. It's a much nicer installation this way. When it's not in use, I should have this this chain and hang it on the hook here, like that. Now it's out of the way and nicely connected. So now, instead of having to climb out, go in again, I can just adjust the blade from in here. So that was the hydraulic top link for a John Deere 2650. Very useful for using a blade. You can adjust as you go. So goodbye and see you the next time on Gadgeteer Farm. Please subscribe and give me a like if you like this content. See you the next time. Goodbye.